teach you how to make a game. So basically this is small little electronic game. So what we need to do first is a box. You can use any box. So apply some paper or paper sheet. Now normal box. So I cover with decorate with some sort of paper. Now there are made of holes about 5 millimeters. One is there and one is there and one is there and one is there. Now need a straw and some odd glue. This time I already plugged in odd glue because it is low effect temperature. Now I apply some now I attach these pipes for both tournaments and odd glue. But this time pipe is too long, so I let it up the pipe. I already turn on the glue. So this is a very routine because if you turn on same time each time, you can use them. It is not so set very well. That's why it takes some little bit time to glue set. So that's why add a little bit glue. Add a glue properly. First turn on the glue and wait for a while. Before making project, you can turn on glue back first, and after once it's those temperature you can use. Now there's the pipes. Now it's turned off. Now it's got extra pipes, but after the time because it is glue little bit dry, otherwise it may not be follow. So I got this side as well as this side. But right now, this game I use only buzzer. If you like to use LED, you can use LEDs in parallel with buzzer, but right now I use a buzzer. Now open the box. This is the battery, rechargeable battery. Those are not there. So what happened, I will do battery negative is connected to a buzzer negative. Buzzer negative. And battery positive is open. And when I connect the buzzer positive and battery positive together, this buzzer is turned on. This way. Same circuit I am using there. I put this wire, make sure it's dry first, glue, after it's not come out. Now place one of the holes in one of the hole, place wire which is through this one hole right there, and this is the come out, and other buzzer is hot melt, apply hot melt, some of hot melt glue to the buzzer with these points. So that's case we need hot melt glue. But before that, I think we can remove this wire because later I connect these to jump one of the points. Which points? This time we have to connect glue carefully because glue cannot go inside the buzzer, otherwise it can kill the buzzer. So my glue is all. Why it's not working? Now place one of the hole buzzer, this one, and turn off the glue. Now what's it then do? And one wire I can touch it there. When it didn't. Now I touch this wire for this point. Now I clip this wire and connect this wire to a buzzer negative. But which wire is a battery negative? So right now I connect buzzer and battery in series. Button is main yield line point is main yield point in series with these. circuit, and this circuit is parallel with to that. The meaning buzzer as buzzer or battery. Buzzer negative is connected to battery negative, just like this, and there wire is connected. Now take one other remaining wire which is connected there after buzzer positive terminal. And once if I touch this wire to the, now I think this wire pass first to this all, one after all. Now what we do, now there are some sorts of wire which is standard copper wire or other any kind of wire, a little bit. So first made a clamps like that, like that. These are two eels. It looks like something that. See, I made take a wire, electric wire which is non-insulated wire, and made this look like this. It is a eel. Now I placed these eels to these pipes. Keep in mind, one thing I just tell, just a demo, but I recommend you can use proper waste cure. For this point, these wire, which is the buzzer wire, I only not join, only touch these points, but you will join these 2 points. Now fill a hot glue. So now I tell a connection first. Battery positive, if I battery which is positive come there, negative goes to buzzer. Buzzer positive is connected to this eel, and when I touch this wire, so you can see buzzer are turned on. It is not too loud because I think little bit hot glue inside doing the buzzer, because while I connecting the buzzer in the glue in this process, maybe little bit glue though inside the buzzer, so that's why it is not sound is come out. But when you connect buzzer very carefully, never put glue inside the buzzer. Now take out one wire, remaining wire, this wire. First, this is also other piece, and this is other piece of non-insulated electric wire. Thickness is matter to according to your project. You can use bigger thickness or smaller thickness. But although this is a very safe one, you can also make a mains 221, but it is not good idea at all. So I recommend if you make this, you can make only 12 volt or 5 volt version. Mine is 5 volt version. So it's right. Now I made this a little bit clip, not too bigger, just a little bit here. Now I remove our only single side. Place first this and make sure it's properly just once. Yes, it's working. Now turn on the glue. Now I tell how it's worked. So plan basically is that this is a eel and this is a pointer. What is do we can take a pointer this to pass over the eel without touching these 2 points. So it's a little bit, it's touched. Well, it's touched, it goes 0. Now it's maybe glue is or melt glue is ready or not. A little bit wait until it's. Let's try first. How you can pass this, play this game. We can take this thing like that and pass this way. It's not touch this metallic wire. Might if it's touch, which means it is back to the reset point. If buzzer is indicate, that means you lost this game. So you can take carefully and pass through without zero. Oops. Carefully pass. But in my case, this is a vibrate because it is little bit sitting in my hands, so that's why it is touch it most of times. But you can carefully pass. If anyone can pass this unit, this pointer to this point to this point without touching these 2 points, it can win this game. Now I think glue is ready. If glue is ready, I just put the glue in these pipes so it won't bitter out. So I fill the glue and now place glue at other side. Right now add my glue. So I push this little bit because it's little bit glue on trigger will not trigger proper. Little bit this glue is melt angle wise, so that's why it is not trigger is not fit pull this thing properly. So that's why I can push back and apply some glue. Which place I apply glue is right there. So this is the main end point. It's not come out. This point. Now it's this time. You notice how this nozzle is, because when I put the nozzle into the plastic straw, it can melt the straw and straw mouth is open or lost. Now press the straw. Now close. Now remove this little space, and now once time to play this game for the final testing. First remove excess glue for my hands. Now just nothing. And this is just end the next lesson course.